Hello everyone. Welcome back to this channel. If you're setting up a WordPress site and want to make it secure, fast, and user-friendly, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm revealing the 8 essential WordPress plugins I install on every website I create for my clients. These plugins are game changers for performance, security, SEO, and more. Plus, I'll share a couple of hidden gems that can take your site to the next level. Stick around, and let's make your WordPress site unstoppable. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside, go to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu and click on Add New. A plugin is a small software add-on that enhances the functionality of a website or application. It allows you to add features without altering the core structure. Let's start with security. To secure your WordPress site, search for the WordFence plugin. Before installing, it's always a good idea to check out its details. WordFence Security is a powerful plugin designed to protect your WordPress site from cyber threats. It offers comprehensive security features, including a firewall to block malicious traffic, real-time malware scanning, and protection against brute force attacks. WordFence also includes a robust login security system and detailed security reports, allowing you to stay on top of any potential vulnerabilities. With easy-to-use settings and powerful protection tools, WordFence is an essential plugin for keeping your site secure. iTheme Security is another powerful WordPress plugin designed to protect your website from various security threats. It helps prevent unauthorized access, brute force attacks, malware, and more. With features like two-factor authentication, database backups, and file change detection, iTheme Security offers a comprehensive solution to secure your site. It's easy to set up and configure, and it provides ongoing protection to ensure your website stays safe from emerging security risks. Next, let's boost your website's performance by installing a caching plugin. A good caching plugin can dramatically improve your site's speed by storing static versions of your pages, reducing load times for visitors. This is crucial for keeping your bounce rate low and improving SEO. My favorite caching plugin is WP Rocket, which is a premium plugin, but it's extremely easy to set up and packed with features. It handles things like file compression, lazy loading images, and cache preloading automatically. This means faster page loading without the need to dive into complex configurations. For those on a budget, W3 Total Cache is a great free alternative with many of the same features. Once activated, you can easily enable caching for pages, browser caching, and content delivery network (CDN) integration to speed things up further. I recommend W3 Total Cache as the next performance plugin for boosting your site speed. This plugin works by caching static files like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, reducing the load on your server and making your pages load much faster for your visitors. Next, let's talk about SEO, arguably one of the most important parts of your website. I recommend using Yoast SEO, which is one of the most powerful and user-friendly SEO plugins available. It helps you optimize your website for search engines so you can rank higher and get more organic traffic. Yoast uses a color-coded system to guide you through each optimization. Green means you're good to go, orange means there's room for improvement, and red means your content needs a bit more work. Trust me, Yoast SEO is an absolute must for getting your site noticed by Google and other search engines. Plus, it makes SEO feel less intimidating with its intuitive interface. Next, for SEO, I highly recommend Rank Math. It's one of the most powerful and user-friendly SEO plugins available. Unlike other plugins, Rank Math is packed with advanced features right out of the box, such as integration with Google Search Console, rich snippets, automatic image SEO, and more. The best part? Rank Math has a free version with almost everything you need to get started, and as your site grows, you can unlock even more advanced features through their premium version. With Rank Math, you'll be able to optimize your posts, pages, and even custom post types for SEO without breaking a sweat. I use it on all of my sites, and I've seen a noticeable improvement in search engine rankings and organic traffic. Now, let's talk backups, arguably one of the most important things to set up early. I recommend using Updraft Plus for automated backups of your entire site. Whether it's a small change or a major update, you'll want a backup ready in case something goes wrong. Updraft Plus allows you to schedule automatic backups, and you can store your backups in cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or even on your own server. With this plugin, you'll have peace of mind knowing your website is safe and easily restorable with just a few clicks. You can set it to backup daily, weekly, or on demand depending on how frequently your site changes. It's that simple. Next, we need to protect your website from spam. If you've ever opened up your comments section only to find it flooded with spammy messages, you know how frustrating it can be. That's where Akismet comes in. Akismet is one of the best anti-spam plugins for WordPress, and it automatically filters out spammy comments and form submissions, saving you time and keeping your site clean. It works behind the scenes, so once installed and activated, you don't have to do much at all. When you activate Akismet, it will ask you to set up an API key, which you can easily get by signing up for a free or premium Akismet plan. Once done, the plugin will start working its magic, ensuring that only legitimate comments and submissions appear on your site. Now, let's add a contact form to your site. Having a simple way for visitors to get in touch is essential for any website. My go-to plugin for this is WP Forms. It's incredibly user-friendly, and even beginners can create beautiful forms without any coding. With WP Forms, you can easily add a contact form, a newsletter sign-up form, or even a survey form with just a few clicks. WP Forms also comes with built-in templates, so you can select a pre-designed form and customize it to fit your needs. Once your form is set up, you can embed it on any page or post by simply using a shortcode or the block editor. It's that easy. A contact form is a must-have for every website, and WP Forms makes it a breeze. For tracking your website's traffic and user behavior, integrating Google Analytics is crucial. My top recommendation is Monster Insights. It's the most popular Google Analytics plugin for WordPress, and it makes the entire setup process incredibly easy. With Monster Insights, you don't need to mess around with complicated tracking codes. Simply install the plugin, connect your Google Analytics account, and you're all set. Monster Insights not only allows you to view essential stats right from your WordPress dashboard, but also offers advanced tracking features like e-commerce tracking, event tracking, and more. This gives you powerful insights to optimize your content, marketing strategies, and user experience. And that wraps up the essential plugins I install on every WordPress website. Whether you're focusing on security, performance, SEO, or simply improving user experience, these plugins will set your site up for success. Remember, plugins are powerful tools, but make sure you don't overdo it. Too many plugins can slow down your site. Always keep your plugins updated and only use what's necessary. What plugins do you swear by? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your recommendations. If this video helped you, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.